To use a Revolut virtual card on Android, start by opening the Revolut app and logging into your account. If you do not have a virtual card, go to the Cards section and click on Add New Card. Then select Virtual Card and follow the prompts to create one. Once you have a virtual card, go to the Cards section and select the virtual card you want to use. Here you can view the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. To use your virtual card for online payments, simply copy and paste the card details into the required fields when checking out. Make sure to use the correct card number, expiration date, and security code to avoid any issues with the transaction. You can also add your virtual card to digital wallets such as Google Pay. To do this, go to the Cards section, select the virtual card, and click on Add to Google Pay. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. When using your virtual card, make sure to keep an eye on your account activity and transaction history to stay on top of your spending. You can also set up notifications and spending limits to help you stay in control. It is also important to keep your virtual card details safe and secure. Avoid sharing your card details with anyone and make sure to use strong passwords and two-factor authentication to protect your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use your Revolut virtual card on Android for online payments and in digital wallets.